What's up, XA? It's your boy Mix Kasama LSK, the hardest one in LSK. We are on Not So Secret XA. You know the vibes, man. You know the dubs. I'm about to tune you on, things that happen behind the scenes, man.
Don't be capping, don't be hating, don't perform XA. Don't be faking, don't.
So yeah, let's get to it. What's the best magic trick you've ever seen? I think, when an on removes his durag. And you just see waves. I'm like, the first time I saw that, I was like, this it made me blunt, man. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, how can an on just have an ocean? So shout out to everyone with waves, man. I think you're the hardest magicians in the world, Would you rather give up makeup or have to wear it all day, every day? Makeup, I've got sensitive skin, so now you're just putting makeup every day. I'd rather not wear makeup. I'd rather people just see me the way I am. If I look like a chitumbo, I look like a chitumbo. It is what it is, If you had to go back to school, what would you study? Film. I'm obsessed about film. So anything involving film, creativity, anything to expand my creativity. Would you rather hire a personal trainer, a personal chef, or a housekeeper? Personal chef. I've even been scheming about it, man. Someone who can just be there, cooking for me, frying vitumbua for me, everything, Like, not just like basic food though, like, like 5-star food, anything I want. Because I get bored of basic, boring food sometimes. Not boring food, like if I keep eating the same thing over and over again, I get tired. So sometimes when I'm at home, I don't want to eat. Literally, I don't have appetite because I feel like I want to try something new. So if I have a chef, he can always be spicing up, my menu. Have you ever struggled with addiction? Addiction, no. I'm not the type to get addicted to anything. I always notice that, okay, here. Maybe when I was young, like gaming, though I still game now, but gaming, like, my parents always trying to take away the console or whatever, because I wouldn't stop. I'd game till the next morning, the whole day till the next day. So that was the closest to getting addicted. But I feel like when I got older, yeah, you have stuff to do. You can't be getting addicted. Do you like having your picture taken? The right picture. Sometimes I'm walking around, someone wants to take a picture, someone wants to take a selfie, what, and I feel like I'm not ready. I feel like I'm crusty. So I feel like it depends. It needs to be the right moment. I need to be feeling myself. I need to be feeling like today I feel like I can take pictures the whole day. But like sometimes you've just woken up in the morning, you haven't bathed, they've sent you somewhere, someone wants to start a photo shoot. Nah. If you're going to start a charity, what would it be for? I feel like just to empower people to create. If we could have like scholarships that could empower people, to create, to educate them about like music, business, arts, creative arts. I feel like a lot of people are talented, but they don't have the skills. I try to avoid like spoiling people, just like money or like donating money and stuff. Then, they don't really know what to do with it. So I feel like skills are important, knowledge. What is the one movie you've seen more times than you can count? Many animations when I was young, like The Lion King, The Incredibles. Yeah, The Lion King. Home Alone. That's one of my favorite. I watch it every Christmas. Yeah, it's like a personal tradition. What are your relationship deal breakers? Like attitude, you're always performing, just talking too much. You don't want to just pitch, we just chill, catch vibes. You just want to be complaining the whole day. Like bad attitude. I like people who are, you're relaxed, you're calm. So I feel like if I'm in a relationship and you're just talking, rapping the whole day, it's over. What's the funniest thing you've ever overheard? Yeah, it's a long story, but I'll try and make it short. Basically, I was just in a car. Some ons were drunk. There was a goza outside, so she had like a She had a good body, a nice body, you know, shape, everything. So they were hating on her body. This goes, her body is like this because, you know, she's been around the city. She's been with a lot of niggas. They were just hating on her. So I was laughing at the way they were like, you know, you could see they wanted her, but like, you know, Onzi Nosaka just like hating for nothing, man. So I found that funny. Would you ever go on a reality TV show? I think it depends what stage of my life I'm in, you know. If I feel like I want people to see what I go through, I wouldn't mind. I mean, content is content. Reality TV shows do really well. Like, it's content that never gets old. Like, people always want to see the reality of things. So yeah, I think it just needs to be the right time. What are your favorite scents? Like, you know, when it goes out, has like, you know, a strong, nice scent, perfume, cologne. Yeah, I like that scent. I also like the scent of like baby powder or like baby oil. Like, there's some bananas they do that, like, you know, clean bananas. That really, you know, can turn an on, you know, an on. If you could eat only 3 foods for the rest of your life, what 3 would you choose? Vitumbua. That's just the vibe for me.
Salad. Up, down.
Can someone take out the fritters too?
You're performing, man. Obviously, other things. I like food. I like eating a lot, but I feel like, you know, that just has to be there, you know. Did you have any pets growing up? Yeah. There was a dog I had a very spiritual like relationship with. Like, we knew each other. Like, would communicate even via eye contact. Like, if I'm pissed, I'll just look at him and he would know that, okay, here he's not in a good mood. He would move from the door. He would also notice when I'm excited, when I'm happy, he would come, you know. And then when he's not feeling well or is hungry and stuff or is not in a good mood, I would notice, you know. I'll even go check up on him, try to find out what's wrong. But unfortunately, he died. Ever since he died, I failed to sort of have like a connection because I was disappointed, man. I was like, If you had a warning sign on your forehead, what would it say? Don't perform, man. Don't perform. Like, whatever it is, like, you know, you can be around people, you can be around me, we can chill, we can talk, I'm cool, but just don't start performing for no reason, you know. And performing is so broad, it can be anything. Just make sure you sit down and ask yourself, I hope I'm not performing. Don't perform, man. Don't perform. What is your biggest regret? Not starting what I'm doing or what I love early. I wish I started even at 5 years old, you know, just learning or experimenting with whatever I'm doing now, you know. So it's so sad that, okay, it's not sad, but I feel like some of these things I had to learn now, I could have learned them a long time ago, you know. They were not really that complicated. So I feel like for my child or my children, I always try to get them to start doing what they love or what they are good at an early age. When you walk into a room, do you want to be noticed or do you prefer to blend in? Me, to be honest, it depends. Okay, no, it doesn't depend. I feel like sometimes I don't like unnecessary attention, you know. Because sometimes you don't even know if it's genuine. You know, you just walk in, people are just trying to guess you, you know. They're just trying to ride, you know, the vibe. So sometimes I just want to walk in and be a normal human being, you know. So chikwela sometimes, nah, it's not necessary. Which do you crave the most, stability or adventure? Adventure. Sometimes if I'm like just sitting in like one room, like in my bedroom for too long, I just feel I get bored. I've got ADHD, so I struggle to like concentrate on one thing or be in one place. I always want to move around. So that's why I really want to like travel and move around, go to different places. The world is too big. There's like a lot of things to see. So adventure. Even like games, I like adventure games as well. I don't like, you know, being in the same place or doing the same thing over and over again. If you could sing one song perfectly, what would you choose? It's spooky. LSK my city, it gets spooky.
LSK my city, it gets spooky.
I got the juice, I got the fruit tree. If you tryna slide, I got that's you know, that's my favorite song. Legit, you know, because it's for a beautiful city called Lusaka in Lusaka, Zambia. For those who don't know, LSK, man. Do you like guys who are guys? Wait. Do you like guys? What do you like most about yourself? What do I like most about myself? I don't know. I feel like this is a selfish question. I rather want to know what people like about me, but I don't think I sit down and say, "Ooh, I like this and this." I mean, I appreciate things I'm able to do, my abilities, but I feel like, I don't know. I've never asked myself this question. I think I need to go sit down and think about it. So season 2 of this show, I'll probably have an answer. Do you like talking on the phone? You know, if we're talking about something deep, you know, it has to be deep conversations, insightful conversations where I just look at the phone, 3 hours has passed. I don't have a situation. I don't like talking about surface things. No, today it was raining the whole day. I don't know why it was raining the whole day. I feel like, you know, rainy season has been there. Like, what are we benefiting from this conversation? I want to talk about beneficial things. I want to learn something. So if we're having an insightful conversation, we can talk for 3 weeks non-stop. I don't mind. Did you ever have any ridiculous goals in life? Most of my goals are things that I'm doing now. So yeah, I think they're ridiculous. You know, they're definitely ridiculous, but not ridiculous in a sense where like I feel uncomfortable. You know, I know like to some people they're like, you want to do this and this, you know, they think it's ridiculous, but I think ridiculous, yes, but like not ridiculous to me. To me, it's like, it's normal. It's a lifestyle. Have you ever been skydiving? No. I want to do, these are the things I want to do. These are the adventures I want to go on, including snowboarding. I really want to go snowboarding. I can't peg. If I peg, I will resurrect. If I don't go snowboarding, I have to resurrect. How do you treat yourself? I like peace and quiet sometimes. Sometimes I don't want to talk to anyone. I just want to be in my own world and just think about me and like, you know, develop my own world. So sometimes I like peace, quiet. I don't want, you know, hear everyone telling you what to do. People always want to just get involved in your life for no reason. Sometimes I just want to be, you know, to live on my own, you know. It's very important. What is the biggest change you've ever made? It's just becoming more professional, you know, understanding how to be professional with certain things that, you know, it's not always fun and games. You have to, you know, you have to take things seriously. You have to protect yourselves, you know, understanding contracts, understanding proposals, understanding, you know, business, marketing, branding, that it's not just fun and games at the end of the day. So I had to change that. I was very playful even from high school, just like you play around. So yeah, I had to grow up quickly. Are relationships meant to last forever? No, I feel like, you know, certain relationships, it's just to teach you certain things, you know, certain relationships to show you that Lusaka is booky here. You have to, next time you must open your eyes. You must open your eyes. Now they've showed you it's booky. I feel like some relationships, if it's not like for marriage, if it's not, eventually death is what will, like, you know, do it part. So at the end of the day, nothing really lasts forever. It's your boy, the hardest on in LSK, Mix Kasamwa. Yeah, not so secret. That's where the vibe is. I hope you know I answered the questions. I gave you guys the answers you wanted. So yeah, peace.
Don't be capping, don't be hating, don't perform it. Don't be faking, don't be bragging, don't be